Hello, welcome to Cocoknits. I want to show you how to refill the comb in your Fuzz Off comb. This is the little comb, and I usually snap off this cover. If it gets in the way, just snap it off completely. You can use this without it. And when you go to refill, you want to look for the side that is not a solid cover, the side that has the kind of seam down it. That's the side you want facing you, and you just get it a little bit loosened up there, and it slides up and off. All right, and then you can see you just take the comb right out. It's not sharp. The edge under there is protected with this cage that's welded onto the front of it. So you should be fine handling it. And you've got 3 refills in the pack. Each refill should last you a good year, so you're probably not going to need to refill very often. But if you do a lot of fuzz shaving, we've got refills for you. So the way you want to do this is you want to make sure that that cage is facing down, and then you see the little knobs right there. The holes in this comb fit right in there. And then on this side, you do want the solid side, not this sort of half. You want the side that's longer. And you've got little cutouts you can see in there. The tab that's on this fits in the bottom one. And this little guy right here, the very top of where the comb is, fits into that sort of center hole. So you just get it on there, and then just slide it into place, and you're ready to go. Again, it's easier to take it off with the split side facing you, and then you just fit it. The tab there does not go in that top one, but down in the very bottom one. Just get it positioned and slide it right on, and you're ready to comb. Get some fuzzies off. Again, that blade is protected, so it's really more of a comb, and it's safe to switch out and safe for any fine knitwear. It doesn't just brush them off, it actually very carefully slices off all your fuzzies. So there you go. Happy combing.